gate of doubt. Strike the gate with the staff. It will sound like a gong. The sun will tremble. All your sleeping demons will open their eyes. Every playground bully, every peevish professor, only they can let you through. Be brave, be humble. Remember, you have heard the dragon. Beyond the cawing, the cold, something you can't hear is not quite silence. Tracks through the snow, footprints and paw prints. The mercury drops till even the wind freezes. The land lapses into stillness, odorless, like as if it's a gelatin silver photo. All the surfaces that gave to the touch are hard. Even ridges of mud or a hearse backed up, making ruts of the grass. The snow has a thin crust where it refroze. It sounds different under your boots. The tree, which had seemed to respire somehow, to exude a moist presence, is closed up into itself like a bone. Your body's own heat is a faith in things absent. I gave more than I thought I had. I gave her stars that hadn't even been born. I didn't know the price of what I gave. I had been a secret from myself, part of the wind that shakes the trees, until she raised her eyes to mine. I took root. Now the snow-covered tree feels painterly. I feel it in myself like a child going back over letters or lines, highlighting them with a different color as he hums, as he sings. In the quiet childhood living room at the old beach house, he sits back to gauge the effect, carefully erases. I gave her gleaming gems that dried into common stones. I learned that words are empty sounds unless someone agrees to understand them. Love can never do justice to another person. It's a mask you put on. Everyone knows this. On this rainy Tuesday, the clouds are thick thoughts. Raindrops, icy, sting my face, fall into the land. Punctuation marks in the vast Russian novel. Did someone bring the tree photo? We stand in a circle around the tree, shapes around it shifting. The Tear Street child has brought the gleaming stone. Hurry, he pleads, before it dries. The demon of silence would like to declare that words are a sickness, a disease, and you, he points out, an ignorant man. Don't you know the world exists apart from how you feel? The seventh grade teacher says, "Oh, this is fabulous. Such a clever boy." The giraffe agrees. What was it we needed to say? The original impulse? The wise woman throws back her hood, reveals a crown of stars. It was this, the child says, setting the stone on the table. We observe an awkward pause. Someone else in the circle speaking. A voice made of rain. The obsessive one talks in a rapid monotone. Take all the commas out. Put them back. Take them out. Put them back. The professor taps his pipe. This is much too clear. The tragic one says, sometimes I feel like everyone dear to me died long ago. What is that other person saying? Can we get that down? The naked woman says, oh, that's good. I like that too. Oh baby,